Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Security. Then click on Face section and enter your current login method. Now you need to choose Start Enrollment, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Now select OK at the bottom. Manage all of those options however you want to and click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!